Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to quickly do some settings on how to play Tomb Raiders. So it's just a simple settings, guys. As you know, this channel is all about playing games on a Mobox, termux and emulators, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you simple settings. So what you are going to do is just for you to go to your Dynarec, and from there you enter 44, and that is all. So you are good to go. You install your Tomb Raider and you play it. That is all. So if you have not joined my Telegram page, you are free to join it, and from there you get insights. You know, there are some things we cannot post on YouTube because of copyright reasons. So go to my Telegram. So that is not all, my people. So let's start the Tomb Raiders. So when we start it, and there are some things you have to do as well, like the controlling, using your gamepad to control your Mobox. It's very simple. So in this video also I'm going to share you how to do it. So it is very simple. So let's fast forward this video to the controller settings. Let's fast forward it, guys. So as you can see, we have our controls. So what we are going to do first is for us to know the controls that we are going to apply to our gamepad. So we have seen it. You see up for running, for back for down, left for left, and right for right, walk for shift, jump to alternate, action to control. So it is these same things that we are taking to our input bridge. As you all know, input bridge. So from there you just have to input everything into to every of your settings. So you can see up for up, down for down, left for left, right for right, your X button for your shift, and anything as anyone you like, how you want it, that is how you are going to put it. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. It's your boy again, is Transform. So kindly enjoy your game, so and wait for the next update. Thank you.
No, that's not right. You need to press jump and forward together for me to clear the gap. Run back to the start and try again. No, that's not right. You need to press jump and forward together for me to clear the gap. Run back to the start and try again. No, that's not right. You need to press jump and forward together for me to clear the gap. Run back to the start and try again. No, that's not right. You need to press jump and forward together for me to clear the gap. Run back to the start and try again. No, that's not right. You need to press jump and forward together for me to clear the gap. Run back to the start and try again. To climb up, press forward and then hold down the action button. To climb up, for bigger gaps, I'll need to do a running jump. Back to the start.